Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will learn about the three features under the edit section in CapCut: volume, transform, and AI expand. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with volume. Type on volume. Here you will see a slider to adjust the volume. By dragging the slider to the right, you can increase the volume of the audio. If you drag it to the left, you can decrease the volume. It's very simple to use. The default volume is here in the middle at 100%. You can adjust the volume anywhere between 0 and 1000. The great thing about the CapCut's volume adjustment feature is that even when you drag the slider all the way to 1000, the audio still sounds very natural without extra noise or distortion. Alright, that's it for volume. Now let's move to transform. Type on transform and you will see a few options: mirror, rotate, and resize. For the mirror effect, you can flip the video or image horizontally. Just type to apply the effect. Next, let's talk about the rotate. Here you can rotate the video or image, but the rotation angle is limited. You can rotate from 0 to 360 degrees. Common angles are 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. If you need more control, we will move on to resize. Here you can rotate the video or image to any angle you want by dragging the slider. You can also adjust the aspect ratio by dragging the frame on the monitor. Or if you prefer, you can select a preset aspect ratio designed for social media platforms. Those include 9:16, 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, 2:1, 5.8 inch, 2.35:1, 3:4, 1.85:1. Let's select 9:16 for this example. Once you have chosen the aspect ratio, tap the check button in the top right corner to confirm. Now let's move on to the final feature, AI Expand. AI Expand is an AI-based image expansion tool. It can automatically generate and extend the surrounding content of the video or the image you upload to the timeline. Under the aspect ratio section, you have many options. You can either choose a preset aspect ratio that suits social media like 9:16, 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, 2:1, and so on. Or you can go with a custom aspect ratio. For this example, let's go with 9:16. As you can see, our video on the timeline is too small for 9:16 aspect ratio. There is a lot of empty space around it. This space is where CapCut will use the AI Expand feature to generate additional content. To do this, type on generate. It will take some time for the expansion to finish. CapCut will also show you the estimated time for how long the process will take, so please be patient. Once it's done, tap the check button in the top right corner. Now let's type to see the result. As we can see, CapCut has expanded the surrounding area of our video. However, there are some things we need to note. For example, some part of the video, like the shoes of the lady, look a little strange or unnatural. It seems like her shoes are changing, which doesn't look quite right. So, while the AI Expand feature is a great tool to experiment with, please don't expect perfect result just yet. It is still a developing feature and might not always look natural. That's all for today's lesson. We covered the three important features: volume, transform, and AI Expand. Please try practicing with those features on your own and feel free to explore more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.